Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing San Diego Country Estates. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. In Ramona, California, this property features apartment-style accommodations, complete with all of free Wi-Fi and many on-site recreational activities. The San Diego Country Estates provides guests with a variety of modern amenities and facilities, including full kitchens, complimentary movie rentals and outdoor barbecue grill areas. Guests can also participate in the property's weekly social activities. Only a short distance from the country estates in San Diego, guests will discover fantastic golf courses and scenic hiking trails. Downtown San Diego, as well as the city's popular attractions, are within driving distance. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.